Hi all, Dmitry is here. Welcome to my next video about the battery testing. And today we'll have some special video. Let's test Vartas that I tested half year ago. And idea is, here we have a pack of Vartas, and this is January, so we have a new year. And this Vartas is produced, let's see, production date is 04/20. So now they almost 3 years old. Expiration date is 2030, so it's about 10 years of shelf life declared. I doubt that in 10 years they will still be useful, they will have a good amount of capacity. So let's check one now and compare with what we had half a year ago when I tested them in video about Vartas. And let's compare what capacity we have now, what capacity we had there. And in a year I hope I will do a next video about this same pack of Vartas, and we will see what degradation we have year to year, or maybe we don't have any degradation. If you're also curious like me, let's go!
Here you can see the graphs of capacity and energy of the same Varta Longlifes from the same pack with same discharge current and same discharging device. But one test was conducted at middle of 2022, and the second test was conducted at the beginning of 2023. So here you can see the graphs, but please take a note that this graph starts not from zero. So this is not in scale. This does not means that in half year this Varta lose more than half of this capacity. No, this graph is not in scale. Here you can see capacity and energy values, and here you can see the difference. So in half of year this Varta lose 0.6% of capacity and 1.3% of energy. As for me, this is quite good actually. This is quite good values. So for now we can see that these Vartas are performing good in terms of shelf life. I hope I will make a next video in this cycle with the same Vartas next year, in 1 year, so when we will able to see some dynamics. But for now it seems good. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.